Welcome to ***Flux Reach ***, and thank you for joining us today. This channel is built for people who want real skills, clear thinking, and practical direction. In this video, we explore freelance copywriting for United Kingdom agencies in a focused and honest way. We will talk about persuasive writing, tone of voice, and professional pitching. Everything here is shared for learning and growth, not shortcuts. Let us begin with a clear understanding of what this field really involves. Freelance copywriting for United Kingdom agencies is not only about writing words that sound good. It is about understanding business goals and human behavior at the same time. Agencies expect writers to solve problems through language. They value clarity, trust, and consistency more than flashy language. Strong copy helps brands connect with real people. This mindset is the foundation of long-term freelance work. Persuasive copy starts with knowing the reader deeply. In the United Kingdom market, readers value honesty and balance. Overpromising can quickly damage trust. Clear structure and logical flow matter more than exaggerated claims. Good persuasion feels natural and respectful. It guides the reader instead of pushing them. Tone of voice is one of the most important skills for working with United Kingdom agencies. Each brand has its own personality and communication style. Some brands sound formal and professional, while others sound friendly and relaxed. A skilled copywriter adapts without losing clarity. This flexibility makes agencies confident in your work. United Kingdom copy often favors understatement rather than extreme language. Calm confidence usually works better than aggressive selling. Simple words can carry strong meaning when used correctly. Short sentences mixed with thoughtful explanations create balance. This style helps messages feel genuine and trustworthy. Cultural awareness plays a big role in successful copywriting. Humor, references, and phrasing can change meaning across regions. United Kingdom audiences often appreciate subtle humor and polite expression. Direct but respectful language performs well. Understanding these details separates beginners from professionals. Research is a core part of persuasive writing. Before writing, strong copywriters study the brand, audience, and competitors. This research shapes every sentence. It helps avoid assumptions and weak arguments. Agencies expect this preparation as part of professional work. Clarity is more valuable than complexity in agency projects. If a message is confusing, it will not convert readers into customers. Clear headlines and focused paragraphs guide attention. Each section should have a clear purpose. This approach improves both readability and results. Storytelling is another powerful tool in copywriting. Stories help people remember messages and feel connected. United Kingdom samples are more important than long explanations. Agencies want to see how you write. Well-chosen samples show versatility and understanding of tone. Each sample should reflect real business needs. Quality matters more than quantity. Feedback is a normal part of agency work. Copywriters must be open to revisions and discussion. Feedback is not a personal attack on your skill. It is part of collaboration. Handling feedback professionally strengthens relationships. Time management is essential in freelance copywriting. Agencies work with deadlines and schedules. Delivering work on time builds trust. Clear communication about timelines avoids confusion. Reliability often leads to repeat projects. Pricing your work requires confidence and realism. United Kingdom agencies expect fair and transparent pricing. Clear scope and expectations prevent misunderstandings. Professional pricing reflects the value of your skill. Consistency helps build long-term partnerships. Long-term success comes from relationships, not single projects. Treat every agency interaction with respect. Consistent quality leads to ongoing work. Strong communication builds professional trust. This is how freelance careers grow steadily. Learning never stops in copywriting. Language trends, platforms, and audience behavior change over time. Staying curious keeps your skills relevant. Reading strong copy improves your writing naturally. Growth comes from practice and reflection. Confidence develops through experience and preparation. Every project teaches something new. Mistakes become lessons when handled properly. Progress is gradual but meaningful. Patience is part of the journey. Freelance copywriting for United Kingdom agencies rewards consistency and professionalism. Clear thinking and respectful language go a long way. Strong fundamentals matter more than trends. This field values reliability and understanding. With focus, it can become a stable career path. Brands often use simple, relatable stories. These stories highlight real experiences rather than dramatic claims. Authentic storytelling builds emotional connection. Calls to action should feel natural and supportive. Instead of pressure, good copy offers guidance. Readers should feel informed and confident about their next step. United Kingdom agencies often prefer calm and clear calls to action. This approach respects the audience and builds trust. When pitching to United Kingdom digital agencies,